sir. Our first player in the 2026 player auction is going to be player number 2. This is Jake Fraser McGurk, the batter from Australia. And let's open at 2 crore, please. At 2 crore, do I have an opening bid of 2 crore for Jason Fraser McGurk, Jake Fraser McGurk, at 2 crore? Anyone coming in at all at 2 crore? At 2 crore, do I see a bid in the room anywhere at all? At 2 crore, any paddle going up? At 2 crore, opening bid for Fraser McGurk at 2 crore. All done? At 2 crore, no paddles going up in the room. Last chance if you'd like to place a bid. At 2 crore, any paddle at all going up. All through then, and the player will then remain unsold. Pass. Our next player up in the batter category is number 5. This is David Miller from South Africa. And again, let's open at a bid of 2 crore, please. 2 crore for David Miller. At 2 crore, do I have a bid in the room at 2 crore for David Miller? At 2 crore, do I have a team coming in, starting us off for this afternoon? At 2 crore, do we see a paddle coming up in the room? Any team at all raising their paddle to start us off? Do I see a paddle raised anywhere at all for David Miller? Looking around the room to see any paddle, any bid, any interest at all? None coming in so far. Thank you so much. Delhi Capitals gets us going at 2 crore, straight ahead of me. Welcome. At 2 crore now, the bid is with the Delhi Capitals at 2 crore. At 2 crore, do I have anyone else taking us ahead of that? At 2 crore, currently opening bid with the Delhi Capitals. All done. At 2 crore, any other team coming in? I will sell then if we're all sure. All done then, and selling to the Delhi Capitals. Last chance for anybody else. David Miller to the Delhi Capitals at 2 crore. Sold for you at 2 crore. Thank you. Thank you. Our next player up will be number 6. This is Prithvi Shaw from India, the 26-year-old batter. Number 6, Prithvi Shaw. And let's open here at 75 lakh, please. Opening bid of 75 lakh. 75 lakh do I have in the room anywhere at all? At 75 lakh for Prithvi Shaw. At 75 lakh, is there an opening bid coming in? At 75 lakh. 75 lakh for Prithvi Shaw. Any interest at all in the room? Any bid coming in? Any paddle going up? At 75 lakh. Is there a bid? Do I see a team entering the bidding at 75 lakh? All through then, at 75 lakh, no bid so far for Prithvi Shaw, no opening bid. Everybody's completely certain. Last chance, looking around the room once. All done, and the player will then remain unsold. Pass. Thank you. Number 1 is our next player up. This is Devon Conway from New Zealand. Devon Conway takes us to our next bidder, and let's see, at 2 crore, do I have an opening bid? At 2 crore for Devon Conway at 2 crore. At 2 crore, looking around the room now to get us started at 2 crore. At 2 crore for Devon Conway, do I see any interest at all? At 2 crore for the batter from New Zealand. At 2 crore, anyone coming in to get us started at 2 crore? At 2 crore, any bid at all for Devon Conway. Last chance now, I'm going to look around the room, see if any team would like to come in and raise a paddle. All teams completely sure, no teams coming in at all. All through, all done, and the player will then remain unsold. Pass. Thank you. This is the last player in our first set. This is Cameron Green from Australia. 26-year-old batter from Australia, Cameron Green. And let's open here at an opening bid of 2 crore, please. Thank you. Mumbai Indians comes in at 2 crore. At 2 crore, I have with the Mumbai Indians to get us going. At 2 crore, thank you, 2 crore 20, Rajasthan Royals. 240, Mumbai Indians. At 2 crore 40, 2 crore 60, Rajasthan Royals. At 2 crore 60. At 2 crore 60, I have with the Rajasthan Royals at 2 crore 60. At 2 crore 60 now with the Royals at 2 crore and 60 lakh. Anybody taking me on? Thank you. Welcome KKR, 2 crore 80. At 2 crore 80, welcome Kolkata. At 2 crore and 80 lakh on my right. Ahead of the Royals at 2 crore 80. With the Knight Riders. 3 crore it is. Thank you. Up front at 3 with the Royals at 3 crore now. At 320, we go back to Kolkata. At 3 crore 20. 340, thank you, sir. With the Royals at 3 crore 40. 360, say the Knight Riders. 380, say the Royals. 4 crore it is for KKR. 420, back to Rajasthan. 440, KKR. 460, thank you, sir. Rajasthan Royals. 480, back to KKR. 5 crore round up the Royals. 520, say KKR. And 540 for the Royals. 560, KKR. 580, Rajasthan. 6 crore it is for Kolkata. 620 for the Royals. 640. 660 for the Royals. 680, Kolkata. 7 crore with the Royals. 720, say Kolkata. 740 for the Royals. 760. And 80. 780. Ahead of you, Kolkata. 780. 8 crore back with the Knight Riders. 820 with the Royals. 840, KKR. 860, Royals. 880, say Kolkata. 9 crore, say Rajasthan. 920, Kolkata. 9 crore 40 for the Royals. 9 crore 60. 9 crore 80 with the Royals. 10 crore back with Kolkata at 10 crore.